right, I'm not gonna hold back this time. On your mark. Get set. Go. All right, guys. Sean and Asher. I am riding a Harley Davidson, my 98,000 mile Harley Davidson Road King CVO 2008. Asher, what you got riding today?
I'm on a 2015 Kawasaki Vulcan S 650.
All right, we're about to do a head-to-head. I like that bike, man. That's a good-looking bike you got there.
I like this bike a lot too, Sean.
All right, so prediction. What do you think's gonna happen?
You're a better rider than me, so I'll do my best. But I think just based on rider skill, alone, I think you'll get me. Although again, someone like if we were to switch, I think you'd probably get me on this thing. So
man, that's a good prediction.
But yeah, we'll see what happens. I'll give it my best shot.
So Asher, how much your bike weigh?
I don't know, probably
a
little under
500.
Yeah, a little under 500 pounds, probably somewhere around there.
I think my bike's rocking like 850 something, 800 probably.
Oh yeah.
I think matching your jacket, you got a real like Monster Energy thing going on.
I know, right? All I'm missing is like a
Monster Energy drink in your hand.
And I'm missing a snapback. I need like a Metal Militia snapback or something to go along with it. I'd be set, man.
What's a snapback? We're taking it right here.
I don't know.
Get into second gear.
Okay, hang on. Oh, I was in second gear. Okay, hang on. All right, second gear.
All right, 1, 2, 3, go. No! Whoa! How do you like that?
That was pretty sweet.
That was great, man. I'll tell you what. We've tested a lot of bikes against the Vulcan.
Yeah.
And I don't think we've ever had a crew. Even the Rocket 3 just got smoked by the Vulcan.
Did it really?
Oh my gosh, it wasn't even close. And the Road King was right there. So somehow, okay.
Yeah.
We have to do a couple more.
Yeah, yeah.
Somehow, Kawasaki makes a 650cc bike that is just as fast as one of Harley Davidson's flagship motorcycles. I'm in third.
I think that's what I'm in now.
Do you have a gear indicator?
I do not. I'm just guessing.
Well, they go up to the top and go down.
4, 5, 6. That's 6, 5, 4, 3. Yep, third gear.
All right, let's do this. Let's do it again. Now, what I've been doing, I've been waiting for you to jump ahead.
Okay.
And then I start going. 1, 2, 3. Oh, no! I can't believe
This
it.
thing is fast, man.
That thing's, it's got real good, it's got a good power range.
This thing has ABS too, by the way.
Did it just kick in?
Not really, but the brakes are actually really good on it.
You in first gear?
Yep.
All right, I'm not gonna hold back this time. On your mark. Get set. Go.
Ooh! I pinged the rev limiter twice doing that. This thing revs up quick.
It does.
I think that's, yeah.
Do you have a tachometer on that?
Yeah, I do. Got a nice big fat one. I wasn't looking at it though.
What's your red line at?
9.5.
Mine's at 55.
Top gear.
I'm chugging. I'm at like 1,000. I'm at like idle. All right.
Oh, it doesn't want to go. It's
2,
looking.
3, go.
Oh, come on. Come on, little bike. Yeah.
No!
Yeah.
No! at 2,000 RPMs. Now we're gonna take these bikes on a road
We're gonna
course.
do what? You mean like a?
That'd be fun.
That would this Vulcan would actually be like
New Jersey.
That'd be like absurdly fun to take this thing on a racetrack, man. Yeah, 100%.
I bet I could drag knee on that Vulcan. Ow! That just happened. All right, guys, that wraps it up. We'll see you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe. And what's up, guys? I'm Sean. Thanks for watching that great video. And as always, click down here to subscribe. And here's the next fun video for you guys to watch. We'll see you guys next time.
And that wasn't far enough away.
And I had no clue. I'm just gonna tell you guys to back off. Train your bikes, and listen, it's not what you're riding, but where you're going. We'll see you guys later.